Hey, hello people, this is Abhijit and I'm from Airways Management Education. We are into preparation for entrance examination for non-engineers. Yes, you heard it right. No engineers allowed. Well, that's what makes us different from all these preparation centers out there. Trust me, you need to experience us to believe us. Well, more about us in another video. This is our first video and we are going to make it as informative as possible. People, CET 2020 is now over, and with the results around the corner, the MBA season has come to an end. So it's time to evaluate and appraise our options and make the best choices. So here we are to help you with holistic information in order to make those choices. Our video goes in the following order. The timelines for each of the pointers mentioned are given in the description box in case you want to jump on to a particular pointer. Thank you later. Before going ahead, here's a disclaimer. The information which we have collected is factual and from credible sources who are in the college, and also from mandatory disclosures filed by the college with government agencies and past data. Our verdict is in the form of a financial verdict as well as verdict based on the analysis. So, without any further ado, here we go. Today we are talking about L.Dalmia Institute of Management Studies and Research, situated in the western suburb of Mumbai, a bit far for people living in the eastern suburbs and South Mumbai, but an option worth considering. It offers a 2-year full-time PGDM program in marketing, finance and human resources. Breaking news! Well, here's some important news updates. L.Dalmia has converted and merged all its MMS seats into PGDM. What does this mean? It means no more MMS program in this college. Due to this merger of seats, the number of seats for PGDM has gone up to 240 with the following breakup. Here's the selection criteria for this college. The college has 240 seats up for grab, and the selection criteria remains the same every year. Your written exam constitutes only 40% of the criteria, which means you with a decent score has a good chance to convert this college. Well, one important announcement again. The scores of MAT and ATMA May 2020 will not be considered for selection. So you have to ensure whatever scores you have, the last score that can be updated is the CET 2020 score. So what are you waiting for? Do not wait for the CET cap rounds, as there is no MS program in this college. So if you desire a seat in this college, apply now. The last date for application is 31st March 2020. The application link for your help is given in the description box. Thank you later. The application fee is Rs 2,000 for one course, and in addition Rs 1,000 for every course that you choose to apply. It means if you want to apply for finance and marketing, you shell out Rs 3,000, and if you want to apply for all the 3 courses, that is finance, marketing and HR, you end up shelling Rs 4,000. Coming to the initial investment, the fee for any program until the last year was Rs 9.3 lakh. The fee structure might be revised, and if it shall, the fee structure shall be updated by the college on 31st March 2020. Don't worry, we shall update you with the same. The college also has some loan partners to help you out with educational loans. You can also opt in for help from outside. Well, now let's come to the interesting part, that's returns or cash flows. The college boasts of nearly 100% placement as per the data filed under its mandatory disclosures. Placements are from varied, reputed companies offering plum and good job description profiles. That's the norm every year. As we see, last year the highest package offered was 24 lakh, while the median salary ranges somewhere around 6 to 7 lakh INR. Time for some important updates. The college earlier had a concept of linguistic Hindu-speaking minority under its MMS program. Well, now that there is no MMS, there is no such Hindi-speaking minority quota. Also, the college will not have any caste-based quota. This means it is rid of any caste-based, any minority, any management quota, and that means every seat on offer is purely based on merit. As I already said, May ATMA and MAT 2020 scores shall not be accepted by this college. Coming to the final verdict, guys, we know we were waiting for this. We have devised a financial way called as a net present value method to evaluate or find the worth of this college. Most of you will be unfamiliar with this. Some people from BMS, BAF, BFM might have done this method earlier, but for those who are new, do not worry, you shall be learning it during your MBA. This method is used in making financial decisions for investments, called as capital budgeting. Well, assuming that our initial investment is 9.3 lakh, also assuming that a student who enters in this college with a decent performance in placements gets an after-tax salary of rupees 8 lakh per annum for 2 years with no growth in salary. Yes, that's the bare minimum which we can take. The interest rates in the economy is taken at 7% per annum. The calculation is shown over there. And voila, the NPV comes up to a whopping 5 lakh, 16,415. Do not look at the number, let's look at the fact that the NPV is positive. As per this method, if the NPV of an investment is positive, it is worth considering. Remember, we have taken the bare minimum figures into calculation, and hence the actual scenario will be much better than the calculation. So, our final verdict, along with this positive NPV and apart from the research that the faculty is in-house and it's excellent, and they have international linkages and tie-ups, and if you really network well, they also offer you value-added certification programs, making your resume even more powerful. So with no management quota or any other quota, it's a level playing field for all aspiring students. So guys, our verdict, go for it. I'm sure you have loved our video and liked everything that we have done. If you want more such information or any information related to this video, please comment in the comment box. And if you want more such videos coming up related to colleges and the courses they have on offer, yes, we have them coming, but we would like any kind of motivation from your side. All those who have liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for even updates throughout the time. Until then, please stay safe and stay home and make the most out of your time. Ta-da!